Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox pTron Bassbuds Jade Gaming True Wireless Earbuds. So this is made in India, you can see, and it has low latency gaming and 40 hours playtime. And the back, the side is you can see the features like connectivity, advanced wireless, Earbud battery, case battery, and charging input DC 5V. I'm gonna zoom it, and total play time, driver size. See the other information. Let's open this box. So this is the warranty card, and there's a user manual also, like you have to scan the QR code and you will get it. So let's see what's inside. There are the earbuds, this is the charging case, and this is the charger. Let's open this. Okay, you get the additional buds cover. Let's see the earbuds. So let me put this inside. Alright guys, that was the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.